Alright, so if you're short on space but want top tier laundry performance, this LG WashTower might be the perfect fit. This single unit design combines a full-sized front load washer and electric dryer, all stacked into one sleek tower. But it's not just about saving space, this thing is smart. It has built-in sensors, it uses AI to detect fabric type and load size, and then it automatically adjusts its settings to protect your clothing. It also comes with a very large lint trap, which is easily accessible and easy to clean, and the center-mounted control panel is easy to reach. So on top of the washing machine, there's a built-in detergent tray with separate sections for things like detergent, bleach, and softener. And inside the washer drum, the stainless steel design helps prevent rust and holds up well in big loads. So if you're in a condo, run an Airbnb, or just want a better laundry system in a smaller space, this is a solid choice. I definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below, and if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.